Dr. Billy Rios is a pediatric cardiologist at Driscoll Children's Heart Center. He was born in Corpus Christi, Texas, around the same time Driscoll Children's Hospital was built. His passion to become a doctor started at a young age.
A friend of mine, right when he was about 10 years of age, had open heart surgery, and I came to Driscoll the time he had the heart surgery, and so that kind of got me going thinking about Driscoll. And it's just the fact that everyone I met there was so kind and willing to help, and I felt like I wanted to be part of that program.
Dr. Rios graduated early from high school and attended medical school at the University of Monterey. He completed his residency at Driscoll Children's Hospital and then accepted a pediatric cardiology fellowship with Baylor College of Medicine at Texas Children's Hospital.
Well, I've been all over the United States in different programs. I got accepted to 7 cardiology training programs. But since I was born in Corpus, I wanted to come back to Corpus and do something for my hometown.
Dr. Rios has been with Driscoll for the past 10 years and has practiced cardiology for 38 years. For Dr. Rios, caring for children is what keeps him motivated.
And I tell all my patients and parents that, I treat their kids as if they were my own kiddos. So a lot of people really don't care how much you know until they know how much you care for them.
Having done 6 publications, 2 symposiums, and 3 abstracts, Dr. Rios knows the importance of education and wants the next generation to know how special they are.
We really care here, and we really make sure that they understand that we want them to be something special. They're special to us. They just need to feel special to themselves.